In the Echo 201 course, you learned how to make student groups and leverage them for creating group tasks. In this video, you'll learn how to use created student groups to customize and differentiate activities to address student needs. As covered in Echo 201, the People tool in your course allows you to create and manage student groups. Simply click the Tools icon in the upper menu bar and select Manage Groupings. From here, you can add a new grouping set and then assign students to groups within the group set. Previously, we also discussed using groups to reflect project teams. As we think about using groups for differentiation, we want to consider creating groups around other characteristics. For example, an elementary teacher might want to create a group set for different reading levels. Teachers could also group students that are still becoming fluent in English as a second language. Or, at the high school level, a teacher might have honor students mixed into their classes that would benefit from differentiated activities. Once the groups are established, you can unlock Echo's ability to tailor activities for those students. Let me show you how using an example. I'll start by making an assignment in my base course that has 3 questions students are supposed to answer based on a reading they did previously. In the Settings tab, I'll set a due date, enter points possible, and select Notes Only to have students submit their responses directly in Echo. This will be the default version of the assignment that most kids will see. Because I don't have any students enrolled in my base course, I'm going to switch to one of my derivatives. For this example, I'll have some honor students in my class and also some ELL students that have already been put into groups in my course. For the honor students, I want to add additional questions that push them a little deeper into the topic and have them reflect on a second reading. Here's how I can do that. When I open the assignment in my derivative, you'll notice there is a Filter by Group icon in the upper menu bar. By default, All Groups is selected. If I select the Honors group, any change I make in the assignment will only be seen by the students in that group. Now I can add the extra 2 questions to the assignment. Only the students in the Honors group will see the additional questions. Similarly, I can switch to my ELL group and adjust the assignment. For example, I could add additional instructions that point them to the specific paragraph the question is referring to, or add a list of vocabulary words they should use in their answers, or even extend the due date. Again, any changes made while the group is selected will only be seen by that group. Basically, what we have here is one activity that has been differentiated by group to look differently based on student needs. This allows the teacher to link one assignment into their agenda, and what students see will be different based on what group they are in. Let's take a look at how 3 students might see the same assignment differently. This is a student who was not in the Honors group or the ELL group. They see the original version. This is an Honors student. They see the most complex version. And this is a student in the ELL group. They see the assignment that has the most support. As you develop your deeper learning skills, learning to differentiate scaffolding is important to make sure each student is being both challenged and supported. This powerful feature allows teachers to shape and customize activities to better meet student needs. Take some time now to think about ways to use groups to differentiate activities in your course.